What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready for our Chase Degree tie-in jersey break tonight. 2 boxes coming at you. Lots of big jerseys left. Huge jerseys, actually. We're live. Good luck. There's only 28 teams on the list that you can get at 9:15 on the clock. And here you go. Anaheim down to Winnipeg. And Andy in the top spot. Fast Eddie on the bottom. Good luck, folks. 4 randoms on each. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2, 3. Thompson. Thompson on 3 is at 9:15. 9:15 it is. Last and final on the teams before we copy them over. Okay, 4th Thompson. 4th Thompson says 9:15 and 9:15 it is. Columbus top spot. Pittsburgh 15. And then we got San Jose down to Colorado. There's your teams. Let's match up some names, guys. Good luck. It is 9:15, getting ready to turn 9:16, and we got Andy to Fast Eddie. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 9:16. 9:16. Last and final. Let's copy over timestamp first. All right, timestamp on 4. 9:16 and 9:16 it is. Let's copy these over. Fast Eddie top spot. Dale halfway. Oops. Let's try that again. Shoot. All right, I don't know what just happened. That's wrong. All right, so then we have Susan down to Terrence. All right, so here's your teams. Here's your names in order, and I got my list a little bit messed up over here. Ah, shoot.
Available to be a free agent if he wants the following summer. Have him on. Would you like to have the numbers going into that? You want to set yourself in a position to where
All right.
your value to as high as needed.
It was a struggle, but we got to figure it out, guys. There you go. There's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in about an hour and 15 minutes. Best of luck, folks.